This agama lizard be eating up my vegetables. Today, I'm gonna be taking care of them. So let's go. Eating up all my vegetables. This is their work. And right there, they keep eating up my vegetables. Agama lizard, a serious pest to my vegetables. So I'm gonna take care of them once and for all. Yeah.
Come.
You ain't gonna be eating my vegetables no more. Dead. Dead. There's another dead one. Dead. That dead one. Dead. So much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Same time next week, I have more videos coming up. Okay? Until I see you then, let's have fun, let's learn, and let's be on this great adventure. Peace.